building basic to-do lists with plain JavaScript is no longer a viable path. In the current market, traditional resumes are getting tossed aside by recruiters looking for modern specialized skills. The financial data reflects this shift. While a standard entry-level developer might start at 5 to 8 lakhs per annum, candidates who can demonstrate AI integration skills are securing packages of 10 to 12 lakhs. You'll not need years of experience to bridge this gap. I'm going to walk you through a 6-month roadmap designed to help you become a highly paid full stack developer with an AI first skill set. Before we touch the tech stack, we have to fix how you study. Many beginners fall into tutorial hell, watching dozens of hours of video only to find their minds go completely blank when they try to build an application. Succeeding in 2026 requires moving past passive consumption. You need to structure your time so that your knowledge is reinforced by immediate hands-on application under pressure. Follow the 70-20-20 rule. Spend 70% of your time actively building projects and troubleshooting code. Allocate 20% to reading documentation and learning concepts. Dedicate the remaining 10% to algorithms to stay sharp for interviews. Adhering to this specific ratio ensures you spend enough time applying concepts that they become second nature when you are eventually tasked to build a live application from scratch. You start with the front end, the visual layer of your site. If we think of a website like a house, HTML is the raw structure, the skeleton that defines where the rooms and hallways are located. Do not spend months trying to memorize every possible tag. Focus on the core semantic elements for a few days, as these provide the structural foundation for everything else you will build. Next is CSS, which handles the interior decoration. It allows you to define colors, typography, and the overall aesthetic of your structure. In 2026, the industry standard for styling is Tailwind CSS. This image shows how it compares to traditional methods. Instead of writing separate, bulky style sheets, you use utility classes to style elements directly in your markup. Mastering the structural basics and moving quickly into Tailwind allows you to build professional-looking interfaces early, which helps maintain your momentum. Spend 2 months on JavaScript basics, then immediately move to TypeScript. TypeScript adds a layer of strict typing that catches errors during development. This skill is now standard for high-paying roles. Once your language skills are solid, you need a framework. Next.js is the current standard because it allows you to manage your user interface and your server-side logic within a single code base. Using a unified framework to handle both client and server requirements is what differentiates a full-stack architect from a basic developer. For your backend, the JavaScript-based Merge stack is the fastest path for rapid prototyping. It uses Node.js and Express to handle business logic and user requests. You will need a place to store data. Use MongoDB for flexible prototyping, but learn relational SQL databases like Postgres for applications that require strict data consistency. To communicate with your data safely, use an ORM like Prisma. This provides a clear interface for your server code to interact with the database without writing complex raw queries. Secure your application using JSON Web Tokens. Learning to build a robust authentication system is necessary to ensure that user data remains protected. A polished user interface cannot compensate for a backend that is slow, disconnected, or lacks proper security measures. Algorithm practice should not be an afterthought. You must practice data structures alongside your web development projects to build the problem-solving skills needed for interviews. This timeline shows your 6-month progression. You will start with basic arrays, move to hash maps by month 4, and work toward advanced pattern recognition in the final months. The major differentiator for 2026 is AI integration. Connecting your software to models like OpenAI or Gemini via APIs allows your application to handle complex tasks like natural language processing. Recruiters look for features that stand out. While a basic search bar is standard, an interface that analyzes user intent to provide specific recommendations demonstrates a much higher level of technical capability. You should use AI-first coding tools like Cursor to speed up your workflow, but never copy code you do not understand. If a bug appears, you must be able to debug the logic yourself. The rapid adoption of AI is widening the gap between developers who use these tools to increase their output and those who are falling behind by relying on outdated manual processes. Spoon projects sitting on your local hard drive do not help you get hired. You must use Git for version control and deploy your applications to the live internet where they can be tested. A public GitHub repository provides a verifiable record of your quality. It allows hiring managers to see exactly how you structure your applications and solve problems. Begin applying for positions by your third month, using the interview process to identify your weaknesses and build resilience against rejection is part of the training. To help with the frustration of self-teaching, go to the comments and share which phase of the roadmap you are in to find a coding partner. By following this roadmap, deploying live projects, and engaging with other students, you can turn the complexity of the 2026 tech market into a clear, manageable career path. Working, and I will see you in the next one.